Hi, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Today we're going to do a little something special on Italian Cucina. We're going to do foods from many lands. That's what we're trying to do here. And this is going to be the Asian, Korean, spicy cucumber salad. That's right. I'm going to show you what we got. By today, I'm going to tell you right now, when I'm going to use these kind of cucumbers. These are Persian cucumbers because they have a nice little crunch to them. So I decided to use them. But I'm going to show you what we got here around the horn. Come on down. So right here, we have some crushed red pepper. We have a little sugar. We have some Korean paste. That's right, it's spicy too. And then over here, we have some spicy Korean oil. That's it. Is that what that is? Yeah, that's good enough. And then we have some nice Himalayan salt, pink salt. And then over here, we have some apple cider vinegar. And I'll tell you what the amounts are. And of course, we have the cucumbers right here. Look at it. We got 4 of them here. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and use about 8 ounces of cucumbers, which is like 1 cucumber if they're bigger. So this here comes up to about 16 ounces. That's 2 cucumbers. I'm going to show you how I cut them, and then we'll go from there. Come on down. So I just go take off the ends just like so. And then we just cut them nice slices like that. You can cut them as thick or as thin as you like. I kind of like to go about like that. Okay, look at that. Very simple to do. You don't have to use a slicer. You just go ahead and use this and you chop them up, chop them up, chop them up. That's it. And I'm not going to go ahead and show you all of my chopping because I think you know what you're doing. So this is the next step coming up. Yeah, garlic. In Italian, it's aglio. I got to learn this in Asian. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm not going to chop up the garlic. I'm going to go ahead and put it through the garlic press. So come on down, I'll show you how I do it. I just go ahead and I put it in here like so. And, but you got to be coordinated to do this, okay? And I just put it through there like that. And I got my little knife right here and I just go ahead and chop off the ends like that. Then I go back and I do it again. Do another one. Where did that one go? Oh, here it is. Put that in there like so. Bring it down. And squeeze it like so. Okay, look at that. Chop it off like that. And on the inside, you still got a little bit more, but these are sort of like the shells, or what you call the skins, and you really don't want to use that. So you go ahead and do that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my red pepper. And here it is right here. And what I'm going to do with the red pepper is I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit to start with. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my sugar in here. I'll give you the amounts a little bit later. You mix it in there like that. Then I'm going to come over and get my paste, my spicy Korean paste. And I go ahead and I put that in, but I'm going to get this from in. Make sure it gets in there nice and good like that. Just like so. Okay. Okay, put that in there. Oh boy, you got to get it in. That is pasty, isn't it? Then I'm going to go ahead and get the hot oil, the spicy hot oil, and I'm going to put that in there. Here we go. Just pour it like that. Whoa! Then I'm going to go ahead and get my Himalayan pink salt, and I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle that in there like so. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and get my red vinegar. That's right, the apple vinegar. I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Stir that in just like so. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring over my, these are my sesame seeds, but I'm saving that till the very end. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and mix this together like so. Okay. Okay, we got the cucumbers that you saw. They're nice and beautiful, crunchy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the paste that I got ahead and made, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put it in just like so. Look how easy this is, huh? Now, I got to tell you something. This is going to be kind of warm, so be careful. And then I'm going to go ahead and start mixing it up. You know, mixing it up. All right, that looks pretty doggone good there. By the way, I found out what garlic is in Korean. It is monet. That's right, monet. And guess what? Cucumber is oui. Oui. That's not French. I know I'm going to get letters about this, but hey, this is Vito's Italian Cucina, and I'm trying to take you around the world a little bit, so just bear with me. So here's what we're going to do to garnish it on top. I'm going to bring you back down and add a little bit more of the chili pepper right here. Just a tiny bit, because guess what? This is going to be a little bit hot, okay? So you got to watch yourself. So don't say I didn't tell you that, okay? There's like that. And then I got here some sesame seeds right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on top. Look at that. Oh, it's starting to come. It's starting to come together. That's right. We'll go ahead and do this like this. Look at that. Oh, look how beautiful that is. And then I didn't tell you about this, but this is some green onions, and then we're gonna garnish it with that. You just chop off the ends. Here we go. We'll go roll around. I like that. I'm gonna put that together. Oh, look at that. Look at that, huh? That's beautiful. I'm gonna put a few more of these in because I love these. I love that. Okay, now we got that together for you right there, and I'm gonna set this up for a nice little beauty shot here on Vito's Italian Cucina. Don't go nowhere. Oh, you know, I was just in amazement down here. I couldn't stop staring at it. It looks so delicious. This is the spicy Korean cucumber salad. Look at that, baby. Look at that. You're gonna love it. You are going to love this. And don't forget where you saw it, Vito's Italian Cucina. And go to YouTube and go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell. Because if you hit the bell, you get all of our episodes when they come out. Anyway, I thank you for being here today. And don't forget, Vito's Italian Cucina, foods from many lands. Hey, thanks for joining us today. Hasta benediga, which means God bless you. Ciao for now. Ciao.